second graders, it's time for writing again. Last week we finished up narrative writing. Do you guys remember what narrative writing is? Well, narrative writing was us telling a story. So hopefully we all did so wonderful on those monster stories. And when we do narrative writing, our purpose for writing is typically to entertain, to have the reader have emotions, to have them laugh out loud, to have them cry, just to entertain that reader. Well, now we're going to move on to a different type of writing. This type of writing is called informational writing. So informational writing is exactly what it says. It is about information. So when we do informational writing, the purpose is to inform the reader about known facts. So when we do this type of writing, we actually need to really hone in on and determine the difference between facts and opinions. Opinions come in for our third type of writing that we'll get to probably in December, which is called our persuasive writing. That's when we feel strongly about something and we want to persuade or convince somebody of someone else. And it's normally on our opinion. But informational writing is just the facts. So let's take a look at the difference between facts and opinions. So facts can be proven, measured, or observed. The sun is hot. Now that is a fact. You can look it up, talk to scientists, and prove that that is true. Opinions, on the other hand, are things that someone's thoughts, feelings, and emotions. So when someone says the sun is too hot today, that's an opinion. See, it gets kind of tricky because when I said the fact that the sun is hot, known fact, but the sun is too hot for me today is my opinion. So just a few words can actually change something from a fact to an opinion. But too hot for me today shows that that's my emotions, my feelings, and I don't like the heat, so that's just an opinion. When we're talking opinion, we'll see words like love, hate, or favorite. And when we're talking facts, we might see things that it's proven by, it's researched by, I was told by. So that's information, again, that we can prove, and we have a source to tell us that that is true. All right, let's take a look at my favorite candy. Again, that's an opinion. Skittles might be my favorite candy, but you might like something else. Skittles come in all different colors. Well, that happens to be a fact. If you opened up a box of Skittles, you would see all the colors, or you could call the company or research it, and you could figure that out and find that that is true. Skittles are the best candy. Well, that's an opinion. I might feel they're the best candy, but you might actually like something different. Skittles originated in Britain. Well, you might think, I don't know that. Well, guess what? That's a fact. You can research that, you can prove that, and find that out. So that goes over on our fact side. Skittles are so delicious. That is one of our opinions. So that might be delicious to me and may not be so delicious to you. Skittles are made in both sweet and sour flavors. Again, we can prove that. You can look it up. You can go to the store and check out what they're selling and find that, yes, Skittles are manufactured in both sweet and sour. But Skittles are way too hard for kids to eat. Well, I might feel very strongly about that and feel like you guys should not be eating these Skittles, especially Kiki with her new braces. But that's actually just my opinion. So Skittles, some of you might think are perfectly the most chewy and delicious and easiest to eat, but that again is an opinion. So fact versus opinion. Okay, let's play a little game. I'm going to say something, and if you think it's a fact, raise your hand for fact. If you think it's an opinion, go and say not a fact. And I'm going to give you a little teeny bit of thinking time. Are we ready? A dog is a man's best friend. So even though you hear that saying all the time, that actually is just an opinion. I might feel a dog is a man's best friend, but you guys might think actually cats are. See how that works? Okay, let's do another one. Are you ready? A tomato is a fruit. Ding! That actually is true. So tomatoes are actually fruits and not vegetables. Although you might have questioned to say, that doesn't sound right. Guess what? You could have researched it and proven that that actually is true. So going back, anything you can prove is a fact. All right, are you ready for the next one? Winter is such a cold, frigid month. I just can't stand it. And guess what? That's actually my opinion, that winter is a cold, frigid month, because some people might not think it's that cold. And it can't be proven that every single winter is cold, or it depends on where you live. So that is an opinion. But winter is one of our 4 seasons. Ding! That's true. We have 4 seasons and winter is one of them. We have summer, spring, fall, and then of course winter. So you see how that is? It's kind of tricky because we just use a couple of words and it changes from a fact to an opinion. So all we're going to do today is get to play a little game just to sharpen our skills. You're going to go into Seesaw and I have a little assignment where you're going to see if you can figure out the difference between a fact and an opinion. And now once we get our facts straight and know our facts, then we're ready to move on to step number 2 in informational writing. So have fun doing your game in Seesaw, and then I'll see you tomorrow for our next step for informational writing. Have a great day, guys.